Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by anchoring the wig firmly on a stand so every motion is precise. Once secured, you comb gently from the inside out to remove tangles, then switch to a finer comb at the edge for control. Next, you lightly tease the perimeter to build base texture. This creates lift and helps edges fluff instead of lying flat. Make sure to mark the center and temple points so your shaping stays symmetrical as you proceed to the next steps. Now you focus on building the fluffy look. Take small half-inch sections and backcomb gently at the root to generate volume. Once done on all sides, you apply a light styling balm or low-temp heat. This sets the teased base without making it stiff. Then you soften and blend by brushing outward with a small toothbrush or spoolie so the texture looks natural. If hairs seem too coarse, dampen very slightly and rework. This helps fibers settle while keeping the fluff. To finish, you refine the silhouette. Trim stray fibers into soft, feathered edges using sharp shears and point-cutting motions so the line reads fluffy, not choppy. Once shaped, you mist a light hold spray to lock movement while preserving softness. Make sure not to overspray. If a section flattens later, redo only that small area, backcomb, reshape, and set. And if the wig is synthetic and looks stubborn, use a handheld steamer to relax fibers before reshaping for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.